Hi, welcome to my channel L Professor. What is this channel for? This channel is for data science. Basically an educational channel with various tutorials on data science tools, technologies and techniques. What content does it offer? It is aimed to offer content on machine learning, natural language processing, statistical analysis, mathematics, data analysis, and data visualization. Who the audiences are? To me, data science is for everyone. This channel provides good foundation for people who are aspiring to learn data science techniques, and also for people like college graduates, data professionals, software programmers who have good foundations on data science will also get more benefited out of this channel. I'm so excited to share my knowledge, experiences through this channel, and I'm absolutely positive that there are a lot of interesting things that we are going to learn in coming future. All I want your valuable support to keep me motivated as how I am now. And also please watch my content, like and share it to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel.